In front of me is SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select lock screen and security, and here select fingerprint. Now tap on next, and at first you have to pick the backup to your fingerprint, so it can be either pattern, pin code or the password. I will choose pattern, and it can be a letter. Tap on next, draw it again, and tap on confirm. And now decide if you'd like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you'd like to hide sensitive ones, or you won't see them at all. And I will pick the third option, tap on done then. And now you just have to place your finger on the sensor, and it's located right here. So let me just do it this way. As you can see, the fingerprint is being added. Just wait until it's done fully. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. Now just click on done, and from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just like that. Or you can also use this backup pattern, so it was a letter. And this is it. So this is how you can protect your SONY Xperia 1, this is how you can set lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.